everyone, welcome to Beauty First and 10. Today we're going to be unboxing my Kate Spade haul that I got. So I got some stuff in store and I also got some stuff online. So let's start off with the online stuff. It comes in this very innocuous box that says nothing on it. So I assume this is my Kate Spade, but we'll find out if we're unboxing something different. So it's the only thing I know that was coming. All right. So it starts out nice. So yes, it is Kate Spade. So that's very cute. And we've got a little card. We hope this is the start of something wonderful, it says. Let's take a look at this in here. Okay. So we have our box here. There's more box stuff. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so here is our purse. I am so excited. I have never seen this in person. I think this is going to be great. All right, so let's get off some of this. So this is the Glam Witch 3D crossbody, and this retails for $4.98. So let's take off all the little protective papers here. I think there's a little bit more here. Okay, so let's get in to see this. So this is supposed to look like a sandwich that you got from a deli. So it's got its aluminum foil here. You've got your pickle, and then this is your strap here. And you can see it's got your tomato with a little bit of rhinestones. It's got your lettuce. You've got your bedazzled bacon. This is just really, really cool. So when we open up this is the front pocket. Not sure how much room we were going to have in here. Okay, a little bit of plastic. Okay, so that one's pretty thin. So that's not going to hold a whole lot there. And then let's look at the back one. I will say sometimes with Kate Spade purses, they're not always the most functional purses. They're always super cute, but functionality is not always their play. So you have to make sure, does my hand fit inside? Does my phone fit this said product? Okay, so this is where the bulk of it is. So that's actually got a good space in here. So it's kind of got a cutout into the sandwich. You've got that, you've got your pocket here. This is kind of where the bulk of it is. And then this would just be to hold little items. But I just think this is the cutest purse ever. So I am very excited to have this one. And then I also was in my Kate Spade store, and they had a product that I know was out last year, but it was on sale and they still had this left. This is Winter Wonders, and this is their tote bag. And this one is also by Kate Spade. I'll bring it in so you can kind of see the little scene. It definitely has a Christmas type feel to it, but I don't care. It's winter and it says winter in the title, so that means it's okay. Let's take a look at this one as well. And yeah, so definitely check out your Kate Spade outlet store. That's where I got this one, to see if they have any more of these available. Sometimes they kind of have a back clearance section and they bring out purses that you think are long gone. I've had that happen a couple times. So this is actually a very roomy tote, so I really like that. You've got the label, and then it looks like you've got one zippered pocket right here. And then on the other side, you don't have any pockets. And then this just has a nice closure all the way across there. So this is gorgeous. I am very excited about this. I will be toting this around all winter. And it does have the little footers too, so it'll stand up straight. And I also got last year this purse. So this is the carousel purse. It's also part of the Winter Wonders collection. If you look at the very bottom here, it's got this carousel. So that's the carousel that is supposed to be represented by this. So this is also part of this collection, and I got this last year. Love this purse too. This one you'll see every once in a while still on outlets, and it basically has a little strap, and then it's pretty roomy inside because you've got all of this space to go around, but this one's really cute too. Thank you for joining me today in our unboxing. And remember, the Glam Witch bag, this is available mostly online. You might find it in store, but this is going to be at Kate Spade. And then the tote that I showed you was at Kate Spade Outlet, and this was in store, and they just had a few of those, so definitely check that one out. And then this is what I got last year that's also part of that Winter Wonder collection. The tote bag was $3.99, but it was on sale, so just kind of keep that in mind, and definitely check these out early if you want to get to them before they sell out. Kate Spade has a ton of novelty purses, and I have a ton of Kate Spade's novelty purses. So this is mostly what I have in my collection. I will have a video coming out soon to just kind of show you a little bit how to style and wear some of these novelty purses, so you can actually not just stare at them, but you can actually get them out into this world. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please hit subscribe. I do makeup, fashion, and beauty videos on Saturdays and Sundays, and then my other love is NFL football, which is on Thursdays and Fridays that I do videos for those. So thank you for joining me, and happy shopping.